Hey there, I'm Jim Munchbach. My wife Connie and I have decided to sell our 2012 Bighorn. It's a 41-foot rig. It's in great shape. We're asking $33,450. I think that's a pretty good deal. It's in good shape. I know what we paid for it. I know what we've invested in it to improve it, and I know what kind of condition it's in. So this guy, his name is Joe, he put on our premium roofing system, and as you can see, it's pretty new. This video was taken right after it was put on, but this is like the smartest thing you can do on an RV when you buy one. This is layers of product. The product has 50-year warranty, and the guy that put it on just did a fantastic job. Took a couple weeks to do it. So that's the Bighorn on the outside. Like I said, it's in really good shape. It's been well cared for. Everything, pretty much everything works. There's a couple little things that don't work, like the level gauges for the black tank that doesn't work. So that's one of the things we might fix, but we'll probably let you fix it. Anyway, this is the inside. Some of the pictures are a little blurry, but it's got the original dining room you can see there, and the chairs, we've recovered those. They started to peel, but they're in good shape as far as mechanically. So it's got this great refrigerator. I think it's a Sanyo, but it's a full-size refrigerator. And again, those photos are kind of blurry, but the refrigerator's great. It's got tons of cabinet area and great windows. There's a better picture of the dining room table and chairs. There's 4 chairs with the dining room. And then the kitchen. The kitchen's just a really great layout. That TV goes up and down, so it's up in that picture. Let's see, what else do we have? It's got a stove, cooktop, lots and lots of lights. The bathroom is in great shape. Everything works. It's got a pretty big shower area, pretty good functioning commode, and sink with pretty good storage space in there. This is the bedroom. The bedroom, one of the main things you can't see in the picture is that mattress. It's an amazing king-size mattress. It's more comfortable than our home mattress. I mean, it's fantastic. So king-size bedroom, nice TV in the bedroom. Man, those are blurry pictures. I don't know why they blurred out. I minimized the size of the pictures for this video, so maybe the videos will be better in the ad. I'll make sure we get good pictures when we post the ads. You can see the same thing that's in this video, but basically I just wanted to show off the inside of the machine. It's got 2 air conditioners. They work great. We spent the night in it. The evening is almost 100 degrees, and it gets it down pretty cool. In a 100-degree day, it doesn't get it ice cold. I don't think any of them do, but it takes good care of it. It's certainly comfortable. This blurry picture is the control panel that's in the kitchen. There's the stove. Stove's in great working order, great shape. So let's see what else. Microwave, Frigidaire, full-size microwave. It all works great. It's got I think it has 2 slides, and they all work. This is the number for the service people. There's a faucet. I put that faucet in myself. It's a great home faucet. Tons of cabinet storage in this place. Now, these chairs are kind of tight. I ended up moving one on one side and one on the other side. I think that works better. Again, there's a picture of the TV. The TV's in pretty good shape. It works really well. The screen has a couple of dots that are going on. Oh, it's got this fireplace too, which is fantastic. That was my wife's feat, I think, the reflection, but the fireplace, you can see the reflection is the rug there, but it's a great little fireplace, puts out plenty of heat. That was a picture of the TV down. I don't know what this blurry picture is. This is just another blurry picture of the living room. Sorry about that. But the living room's great. Now we're back to the outside. Just an overview of the Bighorn. It has it has 3 slide outs. So 1 in the master bedroom, actually 4. It's got 3 on that one side and then 1 big one on the other side. This is Joe on the roof, just showing again this premium roofing system that was installed. It's got to be, we didn't spend, he did a really good deal for us, but it's like a $10,000 value depending on the dealer that you hire, but we got a really good deal on it. But he did a great job. So that's the Bighorn. We're asking $33,450. We will take the best offer we get. I think that's a pretty good price, but you decide. It is currently set up at Pearlwood parking and it's ready to move in. It really is a great place to make your home. So you can see my phone number in the ad. Give me a call, shoot me a message, and come see it. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.